I have a question about course cross sells. You keep telling me that this is the new way to expand my profit in the online course world. How does it work? What do I do to get started?
Absolutely. Yeah. So inside of the new Samcart Courses app, if you're on Samcart Grow or above, right, your students, and I'm logged in as a student right now. So this is what your students would see. I'm going to come in and I can start any course, any ebook, any, whatever digital content you deliver back here. And Samcart lets you do this. Okay. So as someone's going through your content, they can actually check out other courses and other services and sell physical products. You can sell whatever you want, but someone can buy using their credit card or PayPal account on file. And I'll show you exactly how it works. So here's something for a guitar for advanced players, right? Just another sort of online course. I can click unlock now. And now I'll go check my inbox. There's going to be a 6-digit code sitting in my inbox. It tells everybody, hey, here's the inbox I sent it to. Let me come back here and just hit refresh. And now I have that purchase verification code. So someone's going to sit here, grab that 6-digit code. They come back, enter it. And when you click submit, right, I'm now one click away from buying using my credit card on file, right? If somebody wants to change their credit card, they can actually click here to open up the checkout page and go buy with another thing. And all you have to do is come back here and click on complete purchase. And my purchase is now complete, right? So I can click here to view my updated list of courses. And I have this extra course that I didn't have before sitting here waiting for me. And those course cross sells can be used to sell anything else you have. You can sell coaching, consulting, 30-minute calls on there. You can sell physical products. You can sell books. You can sell other courses and downloads, sell your memberships, anything you want right in those spots. And your customers can buy using their credit card on file.
Okay, Scott. So if I'm a seller, how do I create a course cross sell?
Heck yeah. All right. So I'm going to go ahead. Let me flip it back over into the actual dashboard where you go and build stuff. But here we are right here. I'm going to bring this up and we'll just go ahead and start building an actual course cross sell, right? So from inside of your Samcart dashboard, right, I'm on the products tab right now. Come up here and hit the apps drop down and click on courses app. And then I'm going to go ahead and open up any course that you want to add a cross sell for. And then I'm going to come to this tab over here, this cross sells tab. Again, this is available on Samcart Grow and Up. So if you want access to this, you can click on cross sells and upgrade to Samcart Grow today. But you can see I have 2 live ones here now. So if I wanted to go ahead and add a third, I'm going to click add course cross sell. And then I just select the product I want to sell. So any one of your Samcart products, they'll all be listed right here. And you can decide, okay, I want to go sell, I'll go sell, I don't know, let's do Guitar for Beginners Platinum, right? So maybe I have a more advanced version of this course or something like that, right? Or put a coaching call, put anything you want right there. I'll make it active. And then all you do is add a headline. You can change the button text and then you can upload an image. So I'll go ahead and just add in an image I've already uploaded in my library. And that's it. I'm going to come back and click on save. And I'm actually going to go ahead and get rid of one of the other cross sells that I had. I don't want to have 3. So I'm going to actually get rid of Guitar University, right? So we'll delete that one. And then the only thing left is for you to change the styling. So if I want to go from any of our default stylings here, light, dark colors, bright colors, or I can even come in here and change colors and have my own custom colors kind of in here. I don't recommend a bright red text right there, but you can kind of make it look good if you want. I'm going to go ahead and go with the dark colors here, but I'll click on save and then I can view my course and you'll be able to see what your customers will see right here, right? So here are my 2 course cross sells. As an admin, this is not going to work, right? So if you preview and then click unlock now, it's not going to send you the code. You would need to log in as a student and kind of see that yourself. So you could go buy your course in a test mode purchase, right? Log in as them and you'll get to see, exactly what will happen. But if I click unlock now, it's likely just going to open up the checkout page for this course. But you guys can see exactly what your customers are going to see. Go make a test purchase and you can log in and actually test this out and test out your own course cross-sell one-click buying. But that is a very, very exciting feature that we call course cross-sells.